Welcome to Learn Sword and Typing with Vikas sir. The Hindu editorial dictation heading is Death by who? स्टूडेंट्स, आपको पता है कि आपकी जो स्टेनोग्राफ़र की वैकेंसीज़ हैं काफ़ी सारी निकली हैं। एफसीआई में निकली है, आपकी चंडीगढ़ हाई कोर्ट में निकली हैं, प्लस आपकी सीआईएसएफ एएसआई स्टेनो में निकली हैं और एसएससी का आपका नवंबर में एग्ज़ाम भी है। जो स्टूडेंट्स कंटिन्यू प्रैक्टिस करेगा, कंटिन्यू तैयारी करेगा, उसी का सिलेक्शन 101% है। आप कंटिन्यू प्रैक्टिस कीजिए, बस अपनी और मेहनत पे आप ट्रस्ट कीजिए और आप आगे हर रोज़ आगे से आगे बढ़ते रहिए। इसी के साथ शुरुआत करते हैं हम डेथ बाय हु। ये आर्टिकल आपका गुजरात में जो अल्कोहल की जो फैक्ट्री थी उसमें काफ़ी 40 से वहाँ पे डेथ हो गई थी। उसी के अकॉर्डिंग ये आपका सारा आपका एडिटोरियल है। इसी के साथ शुरुआत करते हैं हम। 100 वर्ड पर मिनट की स्पीड होगी आपकी। सो बी रेडी, स्टार्ट। और स्टूडेंट्स, आप मुझे ये बताइए कि आपको एडिटोरियल की डिक्टेशन कैसे लग रही है, आपको आउटलाइन पसंद आ रही है या नहीं आ रही है। इसी के साथ शुरुआत करना है। बी रेडी, स्टार्ट। A WHO tragedy that claimed over 40 lives in Gujarat's Bothad districts bring to the fore yet again the contentious question of prohibition. Gujarat is one of the 4 states in India that prohibits alcohol. The consumed poisonous methyl alcohol sold in plastic pouched by bottle gar. Full stop. 24 people have been named as accused in the FRIs and 14 have been arrested. Police action that follows every such tragedy barely inspired public confidence indeed in conceals the complexity of the administration in protecting the black market for alcohol whatever prohibition exists. It is difficult to assume that vast networks of illegal manufacturing and sale of liquor could exist without the patronage of the police and politicians. Reports suggest that in this case specific complaints were made to the police who continued to look the other way. Prohibition make liquor illegal, but it hides in the black market by driving sales and production underground. The state loses tax revenues while consumers are exposed to huge health risks. Though prohibition is listed among the directive principle of state policy in the constitution, no state has been able to achieve it with any enduring effectiveness. Stop. Globally, it is a similar experience. Next para. Prohibition has, however, remained a recent slogan for some politicians. Alcohol damages health, family finance, and human relationships, and the call to ban it altogether as a certain moral, even if not practical appeal. But using then sledgehammer of the law to stop alcohol use can be counterproductive, as experience shows. The Gujarat High Court is considering 5 petitions that challenge the constitutional validity of the Gujarat Prohibition Act 1949 on grounds that it violates fundamental rights including privacy. The law is being questioned for its alleged arbitrariness, as it allows tourists from outside the state to consume alcohol in the state. The prohibition laws give sweeping and intrusive powers to the police, who at least in one case in the recent past in Gujarat used them against political protesters. Stop. On the one hand, prohibition offers the opportunity for rent collection, and on the other, it lets the police free to selectively apply the law. There is a moral burden that several political parties in India try to carry on their soldiers to discourage और bar alcohol consultation several practices bar members from consuming alcohol, but in practice this turns out to be comical hypocrisy. With Gujarat already in campaign mode for the assembly election that is only months away, the tragedy has prompted the Congress and the Aam Aadmi Party to rain their guns on the ruling Bharatiya Janata Party. Rather than clinging on to dogmas and impossible goals of social reforms through cohesive law, there must be a more honest discussion on prohibition. Full stop.